Hi guys, it's Seny from sisterssavingucents and welcome back, Scent Savers. Y'all, I am back home, okay? For now. I am back home for now. I had a wonderful trip, so thank you to everyone who tuned in to the Target video, to everyone who supported, to everyone who said congratulations. I appreciate y'all so much for sticking and rolling with us no matter what, for supporting sis and encouraging her along the way. Thank y'all so much for being the best of the best. We're so blessed to have a community like y'all. So I had a wonderful time meeting my godson. He is precious. Anywho, so I'm sitting outside of Publix. We are here for the early ad preview. These deals are going to be starting on 8/12 and running through 8/18. Y'all, my birthday's on 8/19. I just cannot believe that my birthday is so soon. So I'm really excited. I'll be 34 this year, y'all, by the way. So I'm very excited. Anyways, so Publix it was looking a little dry at first, but now it's looking like we have a little bit more hope. So I'm going to be going over one deal that is a deal that you can do that ends today. That is a freebie and a moneymaker. And then everything else that we will be covering is going to be new deals. So I am excited because we do have some really great deals on laundry care this week. Sorry, this person keeps backing up. You know, we just bring the people. And I say we, I mean me, Tamica, anybody, my friends, all of us. Nobody be in the parking lots and then everybody be in the parking lots. But y'all, I'm definitely about to fly through Publix. This probably won't be a super long video because I have an appointment at 11 o'clock and it's almost 10 o'clock. And I'm like 20 minutes, 30 minutes away from my appointment. So this is going to be a quicker video just so I can go ahead and get out. But we do have some deals, and I've also got to check some price points because it seems like the prices on things are changing. And we've also noticed that Pillsbury is changing some of their coupons that are excluding certain items. So I've got to go in here to scan some stuff. But other than that, that's all I got. If you're still working on your bonus, how far have you made it? You know, we have until like September the 1st for that big bonus. So are y'all making traction? Are you trying to do that? I'm not doing well, y'all. I think I only have 2 things out of my 90 or 100. So not doing good. I might not make that because I'm just focused on birthday festivities, if you want me to be honest. Anywho, I think that's all I have to say. So let's go ahead and head in and let's see what deals we can look forward to doing starting tomorrow. Okay, y'all, so listen, this was the deal that I was going to talk to y'all about on the Lay's kettle chips. Now, it's still a deal that you could do. We have the 2,000 points back on Fetch, but we thought that we had $1.79 Publix digital, but it's gone. We seen it yesterday, but now it's gone. So this was the first deal that I was going to talk about, but I just want to let y'all know, just scratch it out your brain cells unless you want to come pick them up for $1, which you can, but it was supposed to be free. Anywho, moving right along, we'll go into the next deals, which are going to be the deals that are valid starting 8/12 or 8/13. The first deal we're going to talk about is on the Sabra hummus. Now, these are priced at $4.29. They're going to be buy one, get one free. We do have 50-cent Ibotta rebates. So, and I think they're like a limit of 5. So you could pick up as many as you need. It's going to make 2 of them $3.29 or $1.65 each. Like sis always says, don't buy the regular flavor. Make sure you get a flavored one, okay? But pick these on up. This is going to be a pretty decent deal. The next deal that we are chatting about is on the Betty Crocker cake mixes. Now, we are specifically looking for the ones that are priced at $1.99. And sometimes we do have brownies that are priced at $1.99, but it looks like ours went up to $2.18. So this is going to definitely be your most affordable option. So you want to pick up 2 of these at $1.99, okay? Now, this is where things get kind of complicated. Well, not really. It's just really going to depend on the rebate. We have an Ibotta rebate for $1 back on 2, and it says it only has 1 day left. Now, I don't know how true that is or isn't. I would clip it and see is it in your clipped offers tomorrow, or we'll just see if it just extends past tomorrow. But it's giving that it might be a tomorrow only deal, potentially. But we have $1 off of 2 on Ibotta. We also have a 50-cent Publix digital and 50 cents back on Fetch. I have that just one time. If that's the case, we'll be able to pick up 2 of these cake mixes for completely free. So it's a great deal, and I did not want to not talk about it just because we know that sometimes things on Ibotta will say 1 day for 7 days. So with that being said, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have it clipped. Make sure you clip it, okay? Because this is a great deal. And also let me know if you have that 50 cents on Fetch. Now, this is not the best deal, but I wanted to mention it. It's on the Belvita crackers, cookies, whatever these things are. They're priced at $5.39. We're going to buy 2 of them. They're going to be buy one, get one free. We do have 75-cent Ibotta rebates. That also attaches to that buy 5, get $5 bonus on Ibotta. That's going to end up making these around $1.94. And of course, for that bonus, you would have to buy 5 of these to get the $5. So just keep that in mind. Y'all, since it's a little cold, I'm not going to open up the cabinet, but we're looking for the Totino's pizza rolls. These are priced at $7.31. They're buy one, get one free. And if you still have this 5 off of 25, that is what we're looking to use for this deal. They're going to be buy one, get one free. So we're going to pick up 4 of them. And that's going to leave us to pay $29.24. Not $29.24. We're going to pay half of that, y'all. And I don't even know what half of that is. Like 14 something. I don't know. Okay, I didn't put that on the list. But we're going to pick up 4. We have the 5 off of 25. We have the 50-cent Publix Digital. And then we have 80 cents when we spend $8. But check your fetch. It may be different. That's going to make them $8.32 or just $2.08 a bag, which is a really great deal. Probably one of my favorite deals, just because we don't get a lot of rebate offers on these that are as high as the value that I have on Fetch. The Nature's Own breads are $3.65. They're going to be buy one, get one free, okay? And this is going to be on the keto breads as well, but this is what we're going to focus on for today. We have 80 cents back on Fetch that you can redeem a couple of times. So if you redeem it 2 times and you pick up 2, it's going to be $2.05 or just $1.02 each. That is a fantastic deal. The next deal we're chatting about is going to be on the Arm & Hammer odor well, it's not all the odor blasters, but basically the M-Wash scent boosters. These are going to be on sale starting tomorrow at, they're going to be buy one, get one free at $6.49. So we're going to pick up just 1 for $3.24 if you can do that in your area. We do have a $2 digital, making this just $1.24. Now, you can also do the same deal on the odor blasters. These are going to be $7.49, buy one, get one free. So if you pick up 1 at $3.74, we have a $2 digital, separate digital. It's going to make these $1.74. So not bad, because we do have Arm & Hammer products buy one, get one free this week. So we are going to be talking about the detergent deal, but y'all got to wait because I've got to record this for the reel. So we'll go down there in a second and talk about that deal. I can't even tell y'all how many times I had to re-record this. It's like my body is not used to the deals. I got to get back used to talking on the camera. Anywho, so the Arm & Hammer, these are the smaller loads, the ones that are priced at $6.39, but we do have this one that is the 67 load that's priced at $6.39. If this one's included, these are going to be buy one, get one free. We're going to pick up just 1 at $3.19. We have a $2 Publix digital, making 1 just $1.19. And y'all already know, this is one of my favorite deals. I'm super excited about this deal. Y'all, I might have got it wrong with this week's deals, because these deals are getting better and better as I'm finding out the prices. Now, the original cinnamon rolls, okay, this is the 5 count. These are the smaller packages. It's the 7.3 ounce. These are priced at $2.79. They're going to be buy one, get one free. We're going to pick up 2 of them, which is why I had them stocked like that, y'all. Okay, so you want to pick up 2. We have $1 off of 2 Publix digital, but you might also have $1 off of 1 clipped as well. That's okay, it doesn't matter, just use one of the 2. Then we have $1 off of 2 on Ibotta. I scanned it and it does attach. And we also have $1 off of 2 back on Fetch, limit of 3. If you have all 3 of these, this should make 2 of the cinnamon roll 5 counts completely free and a 21-cent moneymaker. All right, so while I was standing over here, I realized after I moved these McMuffins out the way that we do also have the Pillsbury. These are the flaky layers 5 count biscuits. These are $1.99. Now, they should also be included in the buy one, get one free starting tomorrow. And the digital coupon may not attach to this, but that does not matter, because the $1 off of 2 on Ibotta does work. And we also have that $1 off of 2 on Fetch, and that is a limit of 3. So you could get these for free as well. If I were you, I would pick up both. I would pick up these and I would do those just so you can stock up. They're definitely worth having. So y'all, pick it on up. These are some great deals. Hi guys. Okay, we're out of Publix. As you can see, I low-key forgot to record the end of the video. I had to go get my brows done. Don't they look good? I hope y'all can tell a difference. It makes my face look so much better. It's crazy. Love my girl down. But anyways, we have the deals are looking good. I might have been wrong. The deals are looking good. I'm really excited about some of these freebies, especially with that Betty Crocker and the Pillsbury. Make sure you have everything clipped. And let me know if you have any questions. You know that we love y'all so much. we'll see you tomorrow morning for the Publix video, and we'll be back together. So we'll see you soon. Bye.